Hi friends, welcome back SJ Tamil programs. Today we are going to see the topic Python keywords. First, what is keyword? Keywords are the reserved words in Python. That means it has built-in words in Python language. That is called keywords. Okay. We cannot use a keyword as a variable name or function name or any other identifier. Only they are used to define the syntax. Then in this Python, keywords are case sensitive. It may be fully lowercase or first letter only capital letters. Okay. There are 35 keywords in Python version 3.7. The keywords are false, else, import, del, not, with, none, break, except, if, true, class, finally is return, def, from, while, etc. The keywords are having different classification. First one, true, false, none. That means value keywords. It will be check the value if it is true or false. Okay. Then and or not in is means operator keywords. In other language only using symbol. In this Python similar to English language means it has word using for operators. Then if else. These are used in conditional statements that is called control flow keywords. Then for, while, break, continue, else. These are used in looping statements. That means iteration keywords. Then def, class, with, as, pause, lambda is useful for define the function and define the object oriented concepts. That means structure keywords. Then return yield. Return yield means return the value in the function. That is called a returning keywords. Import from as is useful for declaring the package. Okay, that is called import keywords. For example, if a greater than b. Here using if keyword for checking the condition a is greater or not. Another one example, def add, that is define the user defined function. We have to use def keyword. Okay, I hope you understand every slide. If you like this video, you like me and share to others. If you have any doubt, you comment me and subscribe me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. God bless you.